Hey guys, this is the video of deleting rows in Google Sheet using API. First, if you don't know how to connect Google Sheet with PHP, then watch both videos. Link of those tutorials are given in the description. Now, as you can see, the current code I have is to display data from Google Sheet on browser. Also, I provided two links which are important for deleting rows. First link is to understand the array structure for deleting. Second link is a PHP code that we have to implement. Now in the code, make sure that the scope is spreadsheet and not spreadsheet underscore read only. Here, comment the code which fetches the data. Copy the code from top up to response variable. Paste it just below spreadsheet ID variable. Now we actually need one Google service sheets request, so remove the second, but be careful not to mess the structure. We also don't need field subarray. Open the array structure link. So according to this, the first parent should be request, which is already given in the code. So don't need to change it. Second parent is delete dimension, paste it. Third is range. Now range has 4 key value pairs, so paste them one by one. Now first key, which is sheet ID, is not same as spreadsheet ID, but rather it is subsheet, and it is denoted as GID, which you can find in URL. In my case, the GID is 0. Now we are deleting rows, so paste rows. Now in spreadsheet, there are numbers which are actual index that we are going to use. Make sure not to use any quotes, just type numbers. Also, a side note is start index 8 means it does not delete the 8th row. Deleting will start from 9th row up to 10th row. So if we refresh and check sheet, you can see that the data from row 9 and 10 are deleted and the rest were moved upward by 2 position. If you want to delete one row, that is 9th row, then type 9 at the end index and type 8 at start index. Now the 9th row is deleted. You can also copy the whole code from blog link which is given in the description. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.